If you're looking to upgrade your factory JL headlights, today we're going to be installing a set of these HID Projectors Classic Series headlights into our 2018 four-door Wrangler. These HID projectors feature the HID Projector Signature Classic Series shroud with a nice chrome bezel around it. This is going to give you a 6000K light output with a 35-watt ballast to back it all up. It includes a JL-specific vehicle wiring harness, and it's super simple to get put into your JL Wrangler. Now we're going to get these installed. We've got halogens in there now, currently with some LED bulbs. See how they light up the road, and let's get started. Get the hood of your Jeep propped open, and what we're going to do is first remove the 6 grill clips that hold on this front grill. Hope we can pull it off and get access to the headlights. You might use a flathead screwdriver to do this. Pop the center section off, about halfway, and you can get that bottom section, and they'll pop right out. Save these, you'll be reinstalling them. There's going to be 6 of these push pins in total. We're going to get this grill removed by giving it some pressure from the top slats here, getting it popped off, and then on the lower section there's some push pins that hold it in, so just grab it, give it some nice even force. And it'll pop right off. There's 3 10mm bolts that hold on the factory headlight. Grab a 10mm socket, get them pulled off. Set them aside, you're going to be reusing those as well. Now the headlight's free, simply pull it straight out. On the back side, push in on this clip to remove the power from it. That's good, you can remove your headlight. So we're going to grab this harness, and what we're going to do is use this positive end terminal here. It has a fused 20 amp fuse inside there, so this is going to make it nice and safe, and we're going to attach this to the positive side of the JL's battery terminal, right along this side post where we have some other connections. Grab a 10mm and we'll get that bolt loosened up. Loosen it up, slide the ring underneath, then tighten it up with that 10mm. What we're going to do is mount this module up onto one of these factory bolts in between the battery shield. This does get a little bit hot, so we're going to put it here, that way it's in no harm's way. Can't touch anything when it heats up a little bit. So use a 10mm socket and get this bolt removed right here on this side. There you go, now it's nice and secure, up and out of the way, and it uses a factory bolt, so no other extra drilling or anything just to get that up. Now here's the harness that we just plugged in. You can see you have a ground, there's a power terminal here that goes into a 2-way, this 2-way plug, and then you have this standard plug right here. So we're gonna get everything connected into the ballast. Make sure there's a firm connection. This air canceller also has a ground, so that's gonna attach to this, and we'll use one of these factory bolts. I'm going to use this factory ground terminal right here. Just loosen it up. Attach both of the grounds onto this stud that you just loosened up. We're going to make some connections here on the back of the headlight bulb. Go ahead and reinsert your factory harness. All the wiring is nice and tight. Used a couple zip ties to get some of those control modules out of the way. I'm going to pick the headlight up and put it into location. I'm going to use factory hardware to reinstall it. Make sure you hand tighten them too. I don't like to use the gun, just in case. It is plastic we're working on here, so you don't have to go crazy. Let's get them good and snugged up. As you can see, our HID projector is installed on the left side. We've got our factory halogen bulb. Now in this shot, it might look like the halogen bulb is brighter. However, it's just throwing out a lot more light in the area we don't want it. The HID projector is going to have a much crisper cutoff line and look much better down the road. Now for the passenger side, what you're going to do is grab this extended lead off of that main harness. You're going to run it up along this radiator frame here and then tuck it right behind the passenger side headlight. The wiring is going to be the exact same as this driver's side, so get it hooked up and your install will be complete. Check it out, guys. Our JL HID projectors are installed. They look absolutely awesome in the front end of our Jeep. It's a much needed upgrade over the halogen lights. It's going to give a nice crisp cutoff line, and it's going to be much brighter when you're on the road or out on the trail. Now you can find these lights as well as many other great lighting options for your JL right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.